Hey everyone, it's Heather Nichols, and it's time to start crafting for Halloween. I've got several projects to share with you today, and we're playing dress up with the cutest little ghost. You can create this cute ghost with the Ghost Hugs Die and Clear Combo set and the new Ghost Hugs Dress Up Die and Clear Combo set. I'm also using the Boo Crew 3D embossing folder, the Frame in Frame 3 die set, the Bitty Strips Halloween stamp set and Bitty Strips die, and the Little Bits Stars die. For ink colors, I'm using candy corn, popsicle, honey, latte, and Nocturne VersaFine Clair. I'm using Bitty blender brushes, Dr. P.H. Martin's bleed-proof white ink, Oreo liquid watercolor and a water brush for splatters, burlap twine and a hole punch, thin foam adhesive, and multimedia matte. To get started, I cut out ghost bodies from sugar cube cardstock using the die from the Ghost Hugs set. There are so many fun options in the Ghost Hugs and Ghost Hugs Dress Up set. I cut out the pieces to dress up my ghosts from black licorice, popsicle, candy corn, honey, and latte cardstock. For the pieces that I cut out from popsicle, candy corn, honey, and latte cardstock, I added shading around the edges with my Bitty blender brushes using the same ink color to match the cardstock. Next, I added splatters using Oreo liquid watercolor because it's Halloween, and Dr. P.H. Martin's bleed-proof white ink with a water brush. Next, there were several things I needed to assemble. I used liquid adhesive to put the pieces together for the witch hat, the pumpkin treat buckets, and the broom. Using the magnets with my glass mat holds everything in place while they dry. Next, I added faces to the ghosts, and between both sets there are so many fun faces to choose from. I lined them up in my MISTI using a template, and I have the foam insert in there because these are the clear stamps, and I stamped the faces with Nocturne VersaFine Clair. I also stamped sentiments using the Ghost Hugs Dress Up set onto the two hearts that I cut out. Now it's time to dress up the ghosts. I started with the bat ghost, adding wings and also some vampire hair to the top. For the witch ghost, I added the hat, and then I'll also use the broom with this one. This ghost is going to hold the Hey Boo heart. To hold the heart, you'll want to fold each of the ghost arms in, and then adhere the heart and the arms in place. And then I added a cute, spooky Halloween mask. This last ghost is wearing cute Halloween glasses and carrying her Halloween treat bucket. For my card backgrounds, I embossed A2 size pieces of popsicle and candy corn cardstock with the Boo Crew 3D embossing folder. I cut out frames using the Frame in Frame 3 die set from popsicle and candy corn cardstock and added them to the background panels. I added the bat ghost and the witch ghost to the card backgrounds using thin foam adhesive. Then on the witch card I added the broom, and I also added one of the cats with a little piece of popsicle cardstock behind its eyes, and the heart with the Boo to Use sentiment. On the bat ghost card I added a few of the little bats, a treat bucket, and sentiments from the Bitty Strips Halloween stamp set. The last two ghosts are going to be tags. I added a cat and a sentiment to the ghost with the treat bucket. Then for a touch of sparkle, I cut out stars with the Little Bit Stars die from Jelly Donut glitter cardstock. I scattered a few stars onto each card and tag, and then adhered them in place using a liquid adhesive. I like to use multimedia matte. To finish the cards, I added the panels onto toffee cardstock card bases. Then for the tags, I punched a hole at the top of each ghost and added a length of burlap twine. Here's a closer look at the cards and tags that I created today with the Ghost Hugs and Ghost Hugs Dress Up sets. I had so much fun dressing up these cute little ghosts, and I hope you had fun too. You can find all of the supplies that I used to create my projects in the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our crafty videos.